Hi everyone, this is Emma from LoomingLegends here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make your very own Loomigurumi ice cube. This is an original design of mine. So let's get on to the supplies you'll be needing and the band count. So before I forget, you will be needing stuffing or polyfill or fiberfill or whatever you want to call it, a stitch marker, a hook, and some rubber bands. So I am using Caribbean green, or I did use Caribbean green in the tutorial. So this is the cube that I made in the tutorial. And this is optional but very helpful, scissors. As you can see, if stuffing pokes out, you can just simply cut it like that. And also this design goes really well with my snowball, so I will link that in the iCard right there if you want to go and make the snowball after this. Let's get on to the tutorial. So we will be starting off from the top of our ice cube, then we will be working our way down, and I will be showing you how to make the eyes at the end. And just a little quick warning, your ice cube might turn out in some wonky shape like this one because I didn't put the tie-off bands in correctly for this one. It looks like a triangle. Boo! But this inspired me to make something. Let's get started. I'm using Caribbean green or Caribbean blue today. We want to start with a magic ring of 6. So you want to start with a cap band like that I'm just going to explain. Put a band on, stretch it out, twist it, bring it back on, still holding on, twist one more time to create 3 loops. We want to pull through 6 bands. So you want to just slide your band on through, reclaim, and slip on very lightly. And when you go back into your cap band, you want to make sure that you go in with the side with the V. So go back right on in there and pull through another band by reclaiming, and then bringing these 2 loops over the front. We want to go back inside 4 more times. 1, 2, 3, and 4. T-clip back onto that front loop. Round 2, increase all of our stitches to get to 12. So you want to do 2 single crochets by pulling a band through. First, I want to make sure you guys can see this so you can understand. So you want to pull through these first 2 loops, reclaim the other end. You have 3 loops. You want to bring band 2 and band 3 over band 1. There. And you want to go back in and do another one of those stitches. That stitch is called a single crochet. But now since we did 2, it's called an increase. It's called an increase. I hope I didn't confuse you. You want to increase in every stitch. And I'm very sorry for any background noise. Both of my parents are on some sort of call right now, so it might be a bit loud. That's usually what happens in all our videos, actually. So we're very sorry about that if that bothers you. I'm pretty sure it does, but I'm sorry. Because it's just loud. But, yeah. Last stitch for me. And if I didn't already say this, we want 12 stitches. I'm just going to be counting my stitches now. Great. So rounds 3 through 6 is single crocheting all the way around. So I will be doing 2 rounds with you, and you're gonna want to pause and do 2 more rounds. Okay, I'm back. And you just want to single crochet. And just a quick little disclaimer. Once you finish your cube, it is not gonna look like a ice cube at all. I'll show you an example. This is what it looks like compared to the actual cube. You can take a quick peek at the tops. Very different. I was originally trying to make a marshmallow design. I've always wanted to make a marshmallow design. I could just... Sadly, guys, I can never figure out how. But I have a marshmallow on a stick. I have to edit. And also, thank you for getting us closer to 100 subscribers. Once we reach there, we are having a mini little thing, or little, I keep saying little, because it's fun to say. Anyways, round 2, aka actually round 4. We will be doing a live stream Loom along, so I'm excited for that. We will be doing that, and we did test the cameras out. It was kind of fun doing that. And also, the snowball design and the ice cube go really well together. So if you guys want to make the snowball, I will link it in the description box for you. And probably at the end of the video, I'll put it in the iCard somewhere. And I'm almost done with my second row. It's got a whole lot quieter. Yay! Okay, I will meet you guys back here. So you guys want to do 2 more rounds of single crochet, just in the 12 stitches, just single crocheting all the way around like I am. So again, just do 2 more rounds in the 12 stitches. A little recommendation for you is that when you finish a round, you want to put a band next to the rounds. So far we did 2. So I will meet you guys back here in hopefully a few minutes. So I wanted to welcome everyone back to the tutorial. Now we want to decrease all the way around to get to 6 stitches. So you want to decrease by grabbing this front loop that's facing towards you, this other loop that's facing away from you. Grab your band, slide through the 2 loops, reclaim, and then bring the 2 loops over. I think that made sense. So we want to decrease all the way around until we reach our stitch marker or C-clip. There we go. We want to fasten off by going into the next stitch over, grab another band, set everything, reclaim, and slip knot. Oh, this looks so good already. We need to get our stuffing. So I'm proportionate to about the size of your cube. I probably grabbed too much, but let's just take a look and see. So we want to open up our hole so you can see that. Whoa, that looks cool. And then just push the stuffing in with your fingers and to push the stuffing in with your fingers. That's what I was trying to say. And yes, I did grab too much. Could tell. There we go. So we have our thing, I guess we want to call it thing, our ace cube. Take out your tie-off band, put that to the side, edge hook back through the band, grab your stitch marker, place it back on there if you want. I'm just going to take it off. So if you are using your stitch marker, you can just go along with that, but since I'm sorry, I can't speak. If you are not using a stitch marker, just place 3 bands like that. So you want to do 1 decrease, our second decrease. I don't know why I grabbed the band all the way on the right. Actually, I do, because it was closest to me. And our third decrease, we want to do a slip stitch where you slide a band through all of your loops, then you reclaim your band, and then you slip knot it. Now we want to tuck our band in. I'll show you how to tuck your band in. So you want to tuck your band in by going through some of the stitches, grabbing your band, slide the slip knot through, right on into our cube. Tug a bit, but don't tug too tight that your ice cube starts to not look like an ice cube. I don't get why I even said that. That doesn't make sense, does it? Okay, there. So now we have tucked in our slip knot. Now we have this kind of weird looking thing. You want to add tie-off bands, so you want to kind of look at your design. Try to make it look like a cube first. That actually helps. So we are gonna go, okay, I have to be careful, here and here. Or you can go here and here. I think I'm gonna go here and here. Grab a band, slide through all the loops, reclaim, slip knot, see how you like that shape. And then we're gonna next we're gonna go here and here, I think. Slide your band through. Make sure it looks even to you. Reclaim, slip knot. Yes, that actually doesn't look too bad. Okay, next. Here and here. Or you can go here and here. I think I'm going to go lower for this one. I don't know. Honestly, this is the hardest part of the whole design. I'm trying to figure out where to place these tie-off bands. You honestly don't have to place them, it just makes it look a ton nicer. Then I'm just gonna end our thing off by going here and here. Indicate that this section's a corner. There, so now we have our wonky looking thing with slip knots. So now we can tuck all of these slip knots inside our cube. I think this one is looking better than my last cube, because my last cube had I messed up with the tie-off band. Anyways, this is the cube so far. This is optional. You can cube out the bottom too by adding more slip knots, which is what I'm going to do. But if you don't want to do that, that's perfectly fine. So I'm just going to go into some stitches that I think that look like they need some help. Not actually. I'm sorry about this background. I hear a trash can rolling. Okay. I am rambling too much in this tutorial, I'm sorry. But it's so loud. Why is it so loud? Okay, I'm tucking these in. So, there we go. And it's a bit lopsided and stuff. I don't recommend doing this if you're a beginner. This step right, what I'm doing right now. I'm cutting off. So I'm just cutting stuffing that doesn't look, I guess, equal to me if it's sticking out. You could also use a hook to poke it back in, but or a pencil or something. If you did grab a pencil, you would just go like that. It just gets, as you can see, it gets lead on the design, so that's why I don't do that. Now, once you have your cube, we can add our face to the cube. Next up, I will be showing you how to make the eye. I usually show how to make these in all of my tutorials. I put faces on, but just if you don't know, you want to grab your string, grab your band, slide the band through the string. Oop. It's supposed to be like that. Anyways, you wanna put your string down, pull your band down, fold your string in half, and you wanna try to even out the string because it's gonna make it a whole lot easier if you do even out the string. If possible, that'd be really good. As you can see, I'm just trying to perfect the lines so they look even. Once you do that, you can grab your bead and slide through the 2 loops. I meant the 2 pieces of string. Whoops. You pull down. You tug on your string. There you have your eye. So you just want to choose a front for your cube. I am deciding, I'm just going to choose this side. I'm going to go in right here, push back the bands, try not to grab any stuffing like I just did. I'm sorry, I don't like it when I grab stuffing. So, let me try this again. Into the stitch, grab your band, try to grab this. There we go. Slide it through, claim, slip knot, nice and tight, tuck your band in. But if you want to wait to tuck your band in, that's okay too. Go maybe here. You could go here. I'm just going to go here to make the eyes look a bit closer because I think it's cuter. Grab your end. Slide your rubber band through. Reclaim. Slip knot. Tuck on in. Woo! There is your ice cube. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like the video to show your support. And once we reach 100 subscribers, we will be having a live stream for you all. So if you are new, subscribe to help us reach that goal. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!